Hi everyone, it's LeNae. We have new goodies in the shop today and the link is below this video. Here's just one of the new items you might be interested in. This is our vintage ephemera pack and there's 25 sheets in each pack and they're all different every time we put them together. So here's a little multiplication card from the school days and bird identification page, an atlas page, another one here, United States, music sheet, just great for like vacation, old magazine from 1925, and we've got some page from Walt Whitman, Austin Persuasion, typewriter drills, and then some of the pages we left like this, like a signature where they're attached. This counts as 2 pages. This is from a Life magazine. I'm not sure which year that is. This is from this is also counts as 2 pages, and this is from some sort of math book, and some calendar pages. These are from 1953, I believe. Okay, some paper for writing your music, some grid paper, some children's music. Of course, these will all differ. Some more paper. With these ones are numbered, which is nice, and they're double-sided, which is also nice. Vacation pages, which are great. Some poetry, and let's see, some more music. And then this one is perfect for this time of year, Creative America. There we go. Just a reminder, all of our ephemera packs are created from damaged and discarded books. They're perfect for your paper crafts.